Good morning. Today is Monday, July 8th, 2024. I'm here at Killington Creek Marina, and we're going to check out the bow thruster on the Adamas. Looks like it's really fouled up. Let me clean it up a bit, see how it looks after that.